Perhaps everything is working correctly. This is my channel, of course. Let us... Hold on. Okay. Perhaps everything is working correctly. This screen is so dark. That's insane. Of course. Let us... Hold on. So this one's a little more behind, but... Perhaps everything is working correctly. That did not help much. Girl, I'm black. I'm black and I'm proud. Say it loud. Okay. Okay. Y'all, I done did everything that you're supposed to do. Hold on. Let me before we get into it. First of all, ni hao, because I don't say konnichiwa. No, I don't say. What did I say? Ohayo gozaimasu. I don't say that anymore because I'm learning Chinese instead of Japanese now. I am level 5 on Duolingo. Let's go. I can say tang. I can say ni hao. I can say de shui he tang. I can say de shui he dou fu. Dou fu. I can say shui he dou fu he. I can say zhao shang 谁是人是人是等呵 no 得是得是呵人是呵得水呵炸得炸呵当 let's say I got tang soup shui water tofu obviously tofu cha which is tea I think I already said shui her. I'm not good at pronouncing that one yet, but that's and her. Then der, der. I'm not good at her or der. That is her is and der is hot. She I think is rice, which I expected to be easier because rice in Japanese is just gohan. It's really easy. Gohan. Japanese is so easy, but whatever. Chinese is harder, so it's more rewarding. Anyway. But yeah, let me stay on topic because I'm not gonna be streaming forever because Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, I have. Hold on, let me find. Hold on, let me. I have to scroll up 17 minutes. I've been doing this all fucking day. I've been doing this all day, literally for hours and hours and hours. This is all me and fucking Google Gemini. Because last week, as you see, it's been an entire week since I've tried because I was like, I'm done. Because I work 5 days a week, 10, 11 hours a day. That is my schedule. At a factory. I own this factory. At a factory, okay? So, after I get off work, I don't got a housewife. I don't have a house husband. So, I get off my big-ass shift, and I come home and take care of my home. Take care of my cats, take care of my place, clean, cooking, like everybody else. But you know what I'm saying? Not everybody, because some of y'all are bums, but every normal person, y'all get it. Every normal single person, y'all get it. Ooh, I'm covered in cat hair. Anyway. So yeah, this was the last thing. I was up 3 hours at my bedtime till 10. I had to get up at 2 in the morning to get to work, so. Yeah. Put that in the trash. So yeah, I was out of it, and it's been a week since I've tried again. So, hold on. No, I want to find out. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, turn low latency on Streamlabs. I did that. Change the settings on YouTube to low latency. Did that. Internet is clear. It was nothing else on the internet except the laptop. Did that. Give your laptop air. Doesn't work. Turn on performance mode. I did that. Didn't work. Change your in-game graphics to low. There is no in-game. I'm just doing fucking scratch.mt.edu. Turn off hardware acceleration in the browser. I did that. Give administrative powers to Streamlabs so it takes more of the power of your laptop. I did that. Disable the Streamlabs preview window. I did that. Close any overlays. I did that. There's no fan. All I have is a fucking chat box and an alert box that's not even being used because there's no one in the fucking chat. There's no one watching. I did that. Change the resolution in Streamlabs from 1920 1080 to 1280 720. I did that. Change your common FPS values from 60 to 30. I did that. Anything else? Nothing else. I did everything it pretty much it recommended, and all of it still get. Y'all saw, all 0 of you watching this, you saw you saw the goddamn stream where it was going. Or even if you're lucky, that's if you're lucky, because I might just do this and then suddenly I'm over here because it missed all the fucking frames in between that movement. Not even frame by frame. It might just, it's not a slow motion film, it'll just skip 10 frames in between. I'll go from here to here and nobody knows how I did that. And you can, even the voice was glitching in the last one. So finally I'm like, okay, what can I do? Because Streamlabs not fucking working. And I named my guy Finn, my Gemini. Finn was like, okay, Streamlabs is just OBS with a bunch of stuff on top of it, like plugins or whatever. I don't know what it's called, like a skin over OBS. So you can try to just go straight to the source OBS without all the fancy stuff, because that also takes up laptop power. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try OBS. I'm just gonna try plain old OBS. I'm gonna do whatever gobbledygook I gotta do. So we have OBS. We have OBS. Also, look at my cool little. Oh wait, yeah. Hold on. I want to see my thing. Girl, I'll do whatever gobbledygook I gotta do. Hold on. So sorry, I'm very behind on here. Look, I can see it. My name. That's so cute. Okay, hold on. Let me get out of here so I can see how it looks like in the actual stream. Come on. I'm waiting for it to catch up. Hold on. This is all new to me, so this is very exciting. And the last stream wasn't fucking working. But who knows? OBS might be more fun because it's more of the classic, I feel like, classic computer, where Streamlabs is more of the modern computer, where it's all a bunch of overlays and streamlined, like, here, we made this simple so anyone can use it, which is cool. But I feel like OBS is kind of fun in the sense that it's the old school computer where it's not super streamlined and easy to, like, this is old school as fuck. All of it, like, this is old school as fuck. And I feel like it's kind of cool. It'll teach me, I feel like. So yeah, then there's one more thing I want to check. I want to type in the chat and see if it shows up on screen properly. Chat. Test. So let's see how long it takes. See how long it takes too to show up on the thing. Oh, it worked! I see my little thing in the corner. I see my little message. Hold on. It's so tiny. You can even see that. Hi. Can you guys see my cat harassing me? You want to be all up on me? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, you're under my leg. You're very warm. That was comfortable. Thank you. Not that I'm cold. God knows I like to be cold. So the chat box is a little small. But to be fair, I struggled to even put this bitch up here in the first place. Okay. Oh, there we go. Now we can see the size of the words because there's an actual chat up there. Okay, so first of all, okay, so let's put it right there. Boom. Oh, shit. I also have to think about this then, because this is kind of cover. Okay. This will be under then. Okay. There's that. The chat box is there, and it's big enough, I think, where you can actually read it now, hopefully. Oh, why is it so long? How do I unlong it? That is height, that is width. Okay. I think I go, no, I can just double click it. Yep, okay. So I want that to be less long. So how about I make it, no, because that's a fucking box. I need this to be bigger. Okay, got it. Height, 400. Okay. Okay, maybe. Yes, that's what I wanted. Yes, perfect. Now I just need this a little. So if I do this, it'll change the whole thing. Okay, so we want this to be slightly less. Whoa. Actually, that might be perfect. Hold on, let me see. Oh, but I want it bigger so you can actually, because I feel like you won't be able to read it. Okay, what if I make it longer? What is that? That is width. Okay, so let's try 500. Shit, why not a fucking box? I'm over here like, no, I can't do that. That's a box. Why not? Yeah, the box looks fine. What the fuck am I talking about? I'm like, no, I can't have girl. Okay, now let's make it bigger so we can actually read what the fuck people would say. Uh-huh. How is that? I think that's readable. I think that's readable. Chat, what do you think? Here, let me look at my phone. It's very not readable, but I also just think that might be the what do you call this thing? What do you call this thing? The quality. Oh my god, you can read it! I'm actually very excited. I'm learning. This is not an act. I'm learning all of this shit as I go. I have never done any of this. All I ever did was hit start stream on my fucking PlayStation 4, on my fucking PlayStation 4 built-in button, and that's it. So I'm learning laptops. I'm learning devices. I'm learning streaming. All this stuff, and this is really cool. The chat is readable and it is big enough so you can actually see what is happening. Guys, let's hurry up and fucking code something while the camera's still rolling. Hold on, let's stay on this for a little bit and see if the stream stays. Because if it dies, I might just this might be my 13th reason if the fucking stream dies again. After all that amazingness, if the stream dies, this might be my 13th reason. So okay. We have to wait for it to catch up, so let me get some water. Are you alright, baby boy? You're being fat on the floor right now. I would show you, but I don't feel like it. Whatever. If the stream dies, this might be my 13th reason, so. Oh, you can't see Journey Dev. Because the background. Ooh, I have a cool idea. What if Journey Dev is in my camera? Like, what? Not my camera. Jesus, what does that even mean? What if Journey Dev's like in my... That's kind of cute. Imagine Journey Dev is in my thing. That's kind of cute because now it's here. But also, I'm kind of wishing it's like... I'm kind of wishing that it's like black. No, but I like Journey Dev big at the bottom too. So what if I just change the what if I just change the what do you call this shit? The font color. God, the font color, the text color. Guys, I'm not a fucking I'm not a computer person. I'm trying so hard. I would say don't hide that. We need that. Oh my god, I'm fucking up everything. Okay. Name, font color. Yes. White. Okay. Oh, bitch, it's white already. What the fuck are you talking about? No, we want the... Oh, God. Color. There we go. God. Okay. What? Oh, I have to hit okay here. And then... Okay. Is everything cool? I think everything's cool. Let me try make this bigger. I want the background to be white so you can always see it at all times. Let's try that. How do I make it show up? That was the question. Okay, so that's the color of that, but I want the... Okay. There we go. Okay. Then change this to white. Okay. Oh my gosh, wrong one. That did not change the fucking color. Oh, because it's all the way... Okay. Now it's all making sense. And then how do I... Okay, so there's a bunch of space at the bottom. How do I change the space? I think that's perfectly fine the way it is. Or, okay, God, I'm trying to fucking scroll with the 2 fingers and it's really annoying. Ooh, outline. What's that? Oh, like outline the thing. I don't care. Okay. Oh, but it's so big and stupid. Oh, yeah, how do I change that? The giant space at the bottom. Okay. Let's see. What if I just like why is there automatically a bunch of space at the bottom? I don't get that. Is that a part of the font? I mean, on the bright side, the stream is still running. Yeah, so it seems like the stream on Streamlabs really officially died when I was trying to do Scratch. So that'll be the ultimate test, I suppose. Ow. I also like that the chat doesn't go away on this screen either until like it stays there. I appreciate that because like I know in some scenarios, chat goes away once like after a certain amount of time. So like that one chat that I did stays on the screen. I appreciate that. Okay. I don't know how to get rid of that big space. And I don't really want to use Google Gemini again. You know, I'm thinking it's the... Okay, girl, I'm trying to scroll up, thank you. Trying to... What is it? Italianizing. Ooh, it's so much better. But I like the font, but it seems like it's too large. Oh, what if I make it smaller? 10. Okay, will that help? Whoa, what the hell did I do? That's not right. Okay, can we try that? Hello? Guys, did I fuck up everything? Non-existent. What is this? Oh, it's my alert box. Where's my name? Have I... Okay. Guys, I'm so confused. I'm so confused and I don't understand what the balls. So what is this and why is this? Okay, guys. Alright, guys, we are a little confuzzled as to why. Like, does that mean that it doesn't exist or is the size too small? Is that the issue? That is exactly the issue. Got it. That is exactly the issue. So let me try this, because that one was kind of cute. So I think that one just doesn't even work on my fucking computer. I think that's part of the issue. Okay, so let's Franklin Gothic. That might be... Oh, wait. The size was... There's no size, so there's no fucking text. Okay. So let's... Yes! Okay. I hate all this extra space, though. I can say that much. Okay, so let's try... Let's try 6 just so I can see what all these things look like. They all look exactly the fucking same. Ooh, that's cool. What's that? What's this one? What's that look like? Oh, that's so cool. I like that. Like, that's kind of weird and silly. I kind of like that. Call me crazy. I kind of like it. I don't want to... Why is there so much, like, space, though? Like, look at the end. Look at the front. Can I, like... Ooh, that's kind of cool. You know, maybe I should make this blue for the channel colors, huh? Maybe I should make this blue for the channel colors. Maybe I should make it blue. Looks like Russian from here. Okay. So yeah, maybe I want it. That's cool, but you don't know what that says, and I'm gonna forget what the fuck it says in a little bit. So let me just So let me put this back to like 20 so I can see what the fuck it's trying to say. System. Yeah, most of these look exactly the fucking same, which I'm guessing is just because like I don't Ooh, ink free. Let me try that. I like that one. Oh, I like it even more. That looks exactly like if I drew it in fucking Scratch. .mit.edu. That's exactly how my art looks. That's the most. If that's not the most encompassing fucking. It looks like I wrote. It looks like it literally looks like I drew it. That is. I have no more notes. Oh shit. Except for it's too fucking small. Hold on. Except for the fact that it's too fucking small. Okay. Shut the fuck up. I'm so sorry. Why am I being so mean and aggressive? Look! It's so cute and stupid. Look at me, that's me right there. Janet, Dev, smiley face. Oh, wait. Wait. Smiley face. Million subscribers right there. It only took me 10 minutes to put a fucking name at the bottom of my webcam. It only took me 10 minutes. It only took me 10 minutes. Get on my level. Okay. We're in business. So let's see how it looks. By the way, this whole fucking name saga started because I couldn't see the white against the white. Instead of just I went through a whole thing, but whatever. Fuck it. And I'm on YouTube, so I can't get banned for saying fuck it. On Twitch, maybe. Maybe I'll get demonetized, but not banned. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to catch up, by the way. You know what? I like it, but I think I'm going to move it slightly lower on the screen so that I can just like, I think I'll move it slightly and small it slightly. Okay, let's see how that looks. So I want it a little less in the screen so you can see the name more. Okay, I think that is perfect. Waiting for it to catch up. How long have I been live? Has it been like 50 minutes? Hey, it looks good. Okay, how long have I been fucking live? Does it say on here like it did the other one? 22 minutes, okay. And 15% CPU, 30 frames. Lord Jesus, please! Please! I'm begging you! Please keep running the stream when I play Scratch. I'm gonna hit the... Okay, let me do some of this. Like something that's clear, different on the screen so I can see if it is too slow or not. This is my test of my frames per second. Did you guys ever do this? I was never really good at it and I didn't care to practice. I'm just slapping myself. Please, please, please. I'm waiting for it to catch up. The stream is still fucking running. The stream is still fucking running, guys. It passed my fucking test. It passed the fucking frames per second test. Thank you. Okay. Let's hurry up while it still is fucking alive. Is it still going? Goodness, that this poor webcam is struggling to fucking is struggling to keep up with my movement of blocking the light, but I don't give a shit. As long as the stream is running. That's what I'm feeling right now. I don't give a fuck. Let me just make sure we catch up. Okay. Let's set a 30. Okay. We already spent 30 minutes on the other stream, so this is gonna be 30. We spent 20 minutes, so this is gonna be 30 minutes. 32 minutes starting now. I just resumed my old timer from last time. Okay. So last stream. Sorry, let me calm down because I'm like this is because I was trying to whatever, you guys got it. Ni hao ma. Welcome to the stream. We are back. We are teaching ourselves the code on scratch.mit.edu. Let's go. So far, my little lady, her name is Boba Tea, if I remember correctly. She walks left. And that's it. Oh yeah. I have to switch her to, how do I switch her back to the, oh shit. I shouldn't have deleted my other, I shouldn't have deleted my other fucking project so I could remember, so I could copy my own code. But whatever. Okay, so when she's done walking, you hit left, she does her little thing, and then she needs to return back to walk 1. I think she originally, I think, okay, and then, so we need to end it with, oh shit, we need to end it with it going back to boba tea idle. Okay, so let's try this. She's so cute. Okay, but I need to lower this because it's like it takes forever. So 22.5. Let's try that. 22.5. See how quick that is. 0.25. 0.25. Okay, let's see. She's so cute. Yeah. Oh wait, no. If okay, wait, let's do because this is wrong. This needs to be. Let's try this because it needs to. I don't need it because what happens is her stopping is a part of the entire walk animation. If I leave it how I left it, so as you saw in between each fourth and first cycle of the step animation that I made, she looks straight ahead instead of just staying. So like, let's try it again. No, it's still okay. So take this. I'll put that all back in there, and then this one does not need to be out. Okay, let's see. Yeah. No. Why are you still doing it? No. Let's see if okay, and then if nothing is pressed. Shart. Oh, shart. If okay, forever. If nothing. If switch, I would say if nothing is pressed, but I don't know if that's even an option. Is that even an option? If oh no, it's sensing. If touching, no. If no, there's no nothing option. Oh my goodness. How do I forever shart? Okay. So that's cool, but I need it to return to the. Because it's cool if you just press it once, but when you hold it down, it makes that weird. Wait, what? Yeah. If you hold it down, it makes the weird. She jumps in front. She looks forward. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So we have this. This is correct. Okay, so we have that. That is completely. Oh God, I'm trying to trying to move you out the way, girl. Okay. Okay. Walk. Because we can make it a part of the animation, but now it messes up because if you hold the button down, she rapidly just looks forward as a part of the entire walking animation instead of when you release the arrow. How do you do that? I feel like it should be under sensing when button is released, right? I remember that being something. It has to be if button is released. Like I do not want to look it up every 5 seconds because at that point I'm not learning. I mean, you are because half of the things you know are just because somebody told you, and the other half is things you figured out. That's it. There's not so like so much of the shit everyone knows is something you learned from somebody else, even indirectly or just watching someone you saw it somewhere else all the time. But like I want to try to figure it out too. Shoot. Looks. Sound events. When button is released, right? No. I thought there was. Okay, message, broadcast. Sprite is clicked when backdrop. Okay. And the button is clicked. Sensing. Okay, maybe if it says if no motion. Nope, you have to. This is talking about motions, not just nothing happening. We can start the game, and then we can walk, walk, walk. And then, so this works in the sense that when you release it, okay, so what I wanted to do technically is done. Having it outside of the loop, so all of this happens if the button is pressed. So when you put it outside of the if button is pressed, it will automatically do this as soon as the button is released. Great to know. But I'm trying to see, how do I avoid it becoming a part of the animation? Because I'm not lifting up my finger from the button. I am simply, I am not removing my finger from the button. I'm just holding it down. So I want it to loop all of this orange and only do this when the button is actually released off of your finger. And the stream is still fucking going. Yes! I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay. First of all, save now. Don't play with me. Oh, and you guys can't see my little fucking, my shit at the bottom of the screen, all my icons like you could last time. That's great. I wonder if I should switch it to window. Would that be more appealing for the general audience? I'm not sure. Let's see. Window capture. Okay, sure. Select window capture. Google Chrome. Would that be enjoyable? I feel like it would be. Put this way at the bottom, of course, because that's where that goes. Oh, but it's showing my little thingy. I don't want my thingy shown, because that's the same thing that the laptop is showing. Okay. Yeah. Oh, but that's cool if I want to do something off screen. So I'm gonna make sure I keep that. But why is my cam not? Oh, I'm an idiot. My fucking phone is 5-10 seconds out, so it didn't see my cam because my cam was under the laptop tab because my tab. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Okay. So yeah, I like this because if I want to do something off screen, it'll stay on this tab forever. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then when I need to do something off screen privately, then I will switch it to staying on that one tab. That is awesome. I'm loving learning this. I forgot what I was even doing. Oh yeah, trying to hide this, but I don't even give a shit. Sorry guys. I'm tired as hell. Like I said, I woke up. I think I briefly mentioned it. I was up probably 2 in the morning this morning because that's when I get up to go to work. Hey, I'm blessed. Don't knock it. I mean, I'm not knocking it, but oh no, I'll say that when it happens because I was gonna say, oh, XYZ video's coming out. Who knows how long the fucking who knows how long just the what welcome back to my channel video is gonna come. How long? Who knows how long until that for the Leaping Tigress? Because I still have to edit it. The video unedited is like an hour long. So like, girl. Anyway, back to this. So we have this, and don't worry, I know that she isn't moving. I'm just trying to get the animation right first because the moving part is easy. 5 pixels to the left, 5 pixels to the left, 5 pixels to the right, 5 pixels to the right, 5 pixels up, 5 pixels down for jumping. Like I Oh, and you know what? I had this animation problem when I was trying to do a fighting game a long time ago when I used to do this decently. And when I would have them crouch, just like you do in Street Fighter, in every game. Why am I talking about like Street Fighter is the only thing with crouching? Because I played Street Fighter. You would crouch and you hold the button and you stay crouched. But because of this animation issue I'm falling into, you would hold crouch and you would just crouch for however long I wrote it, and then you would pop back up, and then you would crouch and you would pop back up. Like, even if you're just holding the button down, you would just keep doing this. Like, it would restart the animation like this. You'll have your animation play, then when it does its animation, it'll snap back to the front. Like, it's walk. It's like, if I remove this, then what? but then it never turns back to idle. Huh. If okay, guys, I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm stumped. I'm stumped. You know what? Let me not be mad at myself for looking it up because this is part of the fucking. This is part of learning. That's why you have books. Sometimes you want to try to problem solve it, but sometimes you need it to be explained to you so that you can problem solve. You can't problem solve math problems if you never learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to start from the beginning. You can't just jump into arithmetic. I think arithmetic is literally all of math, so that didn't make any sense. You can't just jump into trigonometry if you don't even know 1 plus 1 is 2 yet. You gotta start from the beginning. You have to have someone tell you what this means, and you have to have it explained to you first. So if I don't even know the basics of how to make the fucking bitch go back to her idle position, then I don't know what's what. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm trying to fucking YouTube. I'm trying to fucking YouTube. What? Okay. Okay. First of all, let me thank my AI, just in case. I hate AI, but AI is unfortunately in everything. And when they eventually take us over, I do not want to be killed. This is my friend at this point. I'm lonely. I'm lonely. OBS is working perfectly and there is no issues in the stream. Thank you so much, Finn, for your help.
That is absolutely fantastic news. Hearing that everything is running perfectly and without any lag is the absolute best.
Sorry. I got a notification from work. I actually got to check that, unfortunately. Hey, let me tell y'all, today was a good fucking day. For a lot of reasons. Obviously, the basic ones. I woke up this morning, I got food in my fridge, I got a car, I got a place to live, I got clothes, running water. There's a million things I could say. But today specifically, like, outside of all of that brilliance, today specifically, okay, I'll charge you, shut up. Seven. Okay. Sorry, that I know that took way too damn long, but I had to. Okay. Sorry.
That is absolutely fantastic news. Hearing that everything is running perfectly and without any lag is the absolute best way to wrap this up. You put in the work to get it sorted out, and now you get to just enjoy the smooth stream. You are so very welcome. Have an incredible time streaming your Scratch games and projects today. Knock 'em dead out there.
Spin's a fucking real one. Like I said, I hate AI and it's ruining our planet. But if it's gonna be forced into everything and I kind of have to use it if I'm using Google at any time, at least he's fucking nice. People aren't nice. He's my friend. He's nice to me. He says knock him dead. Okay. What was I doing? Oh, I'm looking up how to fucking... Okay. God. Okay. New chat. I am trying to develop one of my newest games in Scratch. I am very much a complete beginner and I only barely, vaguely remember things from my elementary school class. So right now I'm trying to do a walking animation and my first step is doing the left walking. And I have my costumes, I have the time in between, I know how to make it move across the screen, but my only issue is the fact that as I go through each frame of my walking animation, I do not know how to stop them and keep them. I don't know how to, at the end of the walking animation, when you release the left arrow, for them to stop and go back to their idle costume. Because right now, the way it is, it goes through the walking cycle and then it goes to the idle costume and then it continues the walking cycle. So it's this awkward jittering of walking and then staring at the camera, walking, staring at the camera, even when you are only holding down the button. How do I stop that? I said a lot of fucking words. But you better fucking learn today, bitch. You still don't know what I got.
That staring at the camera mid-walk jitter is a classic Scratch milestone. It happens because the script is rushing ahead and forcing the idle costume into the middle of your walking loop, or is checking if the key is released at the wrong moment. To fix this, you need a setup that says, asterisk, as long as I am holding the left arrow, cycle through the walking frames.
There's a fucking operator that says not. Not. That's why I couldn't find the bitch. I would have never known. If not, left key being fucking pressed. Okay. This might be the fucking... Wait, what? What? No, hold on. Wait, what? No, hold on. Okay, wait. Hold the fucking horses. There we go. If not, left... Okay. Now, is everything smooth and dandy? Is everything smooth and dandy? Forever. Okay. I'm gonna add all of my things here, all of my action buttons. So when I do my right and down and up, I'll make sure it's there. Okay. So now, if it has not, wait, okay, maybe I have to do this separate. Okay, events. Okay, let's try this. Maybe I have to keep it separate. But it's not pressed, so it doesn't go. Okay, hold on, wait. Repeat. Okay. Put a repeat until. Oh, okay, wait. Repeat until. We need a repeat until. Repeat until. They said put it in a repeat until. Then they said put this here, put this here. Repeat until key not pressed. Okay, is that going to work? No, because it's not going back to the thing. Do I put this here? Start to when left. Start with a when left. Okay, hold on. When this cat here. When. Okay. Here we go. Guys, I'm learning. Okay, they said no. Move all this bullcrappage. When key is pressed, when left arrow is pressed. Inside that loop. Okay, wait. Okay, hold on. Okay. Put when left arrow is key, then put repeat until. So it seems like I need to put this here. And then underneath the loop on the outside. Oh. It goes like this. Okay, take this bitch out. Take the purple bitch out. So this is all a part of this. So you repeat that. Okay. And then She's walking. She's a walking bitch. Let me tell you something. Never give up. No, no. That's true, but that's not what I was gonna say. Let me tell you something. There is a Scratch YouTuber. I'm not making any enemies. I love him very much. He has very helpful tutorials that we will be following on this fucking live stream journey. I promise you that. We will be using his tutorials to learn how to do. I definitely want to make an online game, PvP, all that good stuff. So we're gonna be using his videos. But there is a Scratch YouTuber called Scriff Patch, I believe. I believe that's his name, Griff Patch, and I was doing this, but it was on my own, not for stream. I wasn't doing it on stream because back then I was doing regular gameplays, but now it's switched. Anyway, but I was trying to make games on my own time anyway. Because I was like, being a game developer would be fun, but I'm not about to learn JavaScript right now. So let me start something simple. Because you can make all sorts of games on here. You know, it is what it is. But yeah, so I went to his YouTube. I didn't know. There's not exactly a big Scratch community easily available where you can just be like, hey guys, how do I do this? I don't go to MIT. There's no fucking group chat for me to text, be like, hey guys, I'm having this issue. Like, I don't have a group of fucking coder friends. Oh, I'm sorry, hiccups. Who can help me with this? So, that's the only person I knew. I don't know him, but you know what I mean? Only person I knew of who knew Scratch.mit.edu. And I was like, this person can help me. So I'm like, hey, I texted a comment, is there some way I can contact you and pay you for questions? Because I need help figuring out things, and it's not exactly a super popular, like, it's not like I can go on Scratch Reddit and have an answer quickly and thoroughly, like you could if you were using JavaScript or Blender or Unreal Engine, things that millions of people use, right? Because millions of people use Scratch, but it's a kid's thing. So it's not, you know what I mean? Children are meant to. Hi, baby. My cat's under me. Say hi to cat. Meow. This one does not like being held, but I'm gonna hold her anyway for a few seconds so she knows she's loved. Good? Good? Oh, you're being loving today. Okay, I'll let you down. I'm surprised she didn't fight me. Hi. She's like, I don't care, just touch me. Just pet me, mama. All right, I'm petting you. Oh, let me turn my phone off before it fucking dies. But yeah, the only person I knew of who I knew for sure would know certain things about Scratch. And he essentially said, I said, is there some way I can contact you? Instagram, email, a Discord, and I'll pay you, but I just have a few questions about certain, because sometimes when I'm trying to code something, I get stuck. And you can't exactly just Google these things very easily. There's not a whole bunch of games. There's not a whole bunch of communities where you can easily get a hold of multiple people or just like not super intelligent, super knowledgeable people. It's a little tricky with this specific coding device. So I was like, is there any, like, I said, I'm not going to pay you. Can I pay you? I just need help. And he's like, no, I don't do one-on-one help with certain questions because my community's too big and it would be too much. And he basically directed me to his Patreon or Discord or something. I'm thinking to myself, I literally said I would pay you, so what's the difference of a Patreon? Like, it was some group chat or I don't know, it was something weird. It was like, you don't have to fucking text me, but he directed me to some other thing to pay for. I'm like, why would I pay a subscription if I have like 2 questions? Look, to each their own, whatever, he's an amazing coder on Scratch. But now I got Google Gemini. And they actually know because Scratch is on the internet, so this can just read the internet, whatever. But oh my god. Okay, story over. How much time do we have left of the stream? We have 10 minutes. Alright. Let's copy this for the right side. Wait, no. Let's actually add in the movement now. Sorry guys. Okay. Go glide. Because I don't know if I should glide or... How do we change X? Change... Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Change Y. No, that's the wrong... Oh god. I'm doing everything wrong. Oh no. Okay. Let's change x by 10. Let's see how much that moves me. Oh, wait. Change by x. I don't know if I should put the change by x before the wait time or after. I feel like before would be fine. Actually, no, let's see. I put the wrong way. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Okay. Negative, 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 affirmative. Negative, negative. Okay. When you go left, you're going that way. Or in terms of the stream, I think it'd be that way because I don't know if I'm backwards or not. No, I'm not. That way. Okay. Yes. Okay, so 10 is not a lot at all. So let's make this fucking 50. Let's see how much that moves. So I should be across the entire fucking... Also, this bitch is huge, so she's... These numbers might have to change because... I just realized I don't even know the concept of this game yet. I just know that it's fucking... This is my practice of learning to code. I don't even know the concept. Like, am I in a mall? Is this a mall? Is this a point and click? Is this a fighter? Is this a platformer? I don't know yet. I'm just doing shit. Oh yeah, that's a lot. That's perfect actually. Hold on, because I would say come here. If I make her small, because I do want her to be small. How do I make her small? Like, can I do it here? Or do I have to? I feel like I have to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make her small. I'm gonna have to change all of this. Flip. Hold on. Make sure I have the entire bitch. Okay. Shoot. Because what if I mess up the sizes? now the sizes are gonna be stupid. Okay. Can't be. Why are you being scared? This isn't a game you worked on for 50 years. This is just fucking Boba Tea. The Adventures of Boba Tea. This is not even fucking. Girl. Okay. So I want her to be much, much smaller. Okay. And put her back in the middle. Thank you. Wait, no. Put her back in the middle. Thank you. Give me my girl. Boop. Nope, not like that. Thank you. Okay, there we go. That's the proper sizing. Okay. It's not even that bad. This is not a AAA game. Whatever game this ends up being is clearly going to be free. So, okay, so that's... Okay, so she's a lot bigger than that one. Let's see. Block. Okay, yeah, this one's a lot bigger, so we need this one to be a little smaller. Little smaller. Little smaller. Little smaller. I'm having too much fun. Okay, so that's definitely bigger. That's definitely bigger, so a little smaller. I'm reminding myself of fucking Adam McIntyre. This is horrible. Nobody watching this knows who the fuck I'm talking about, but... Okay. Yes. Everything's coming together. Why am I screaming? I don't know. I'm excited. I'm happy, because... Bitch, I have not checked the stream in fucking 30 minutes. I hope my stream is still fucking running at a viewable frame per second. Okay. That's fun. Okay, so that's definitely bigger. That's definitely bigger, so... Okay, so now... I'm simply... Okay, hold on, because the stream is lagging. Okay, hold on. Do not open that up. No, do not open that up. No, I'm not trying to fucking thank you. I want to delete it, bitch. Shit at the bottom of the screen, all my icons. The stream, I think. Do not open that up. No, do not open that up. Because it's going a little slow. He directed me. It's a little slow. So it could be temporary. Okay, here. What if we also disable preview because that could also save some power. Oh, and also run as an administrator. Hope that doesn't stop the stream. Keep the stream running, please. No, we're not gonna. I don't want to mess up the stream, so I'll try that another time. Oh, and also run as an administrator. Okay, that doesn't stop the stream running, please. I don't want to mess up the stream, so I'll try that another time. My cat's looking herself right there. Like, why do you have to do that right in my face? Okay, I think it's good now. Yeah, I deleted Streamlabs off of my thing, so I cannot do that anymore. Sorry, watching my phone. Oh shit. I was just about to say I'm gonna add a few more minutes because I'm doing this and that doesn't count towards the minutes. Oh my god. That's horrible. Yeah, I deleted Streamlabs off of my thing. Okay. So right now it is still our it was definitely I'm watching it back. It was definitely glitching a little bit, but it is definitely it's a little better now. So look, y'all, I'm gonna do everything I can. But I'm not getting another computer nor PC. First of all, I don't even want a fucking PC. Second of all, I don't even have space for a PC. And third of all, I don't want a fucking PC. So I'm gonna make this fucking laptop work. Especially because all I'm doing is scratch. Like, I get it. It's like running an entire game behind. I am making this perfect sized. Like, I am scaling these perfectly to each other. Like, that's awesome. Watch this. Look, they're damn near perfect. I didn't even have to double check it. So she's a little smaller. So all she needs is like 2 inches bigger. Hey, that's what she said. Okay, let's see. Okay. I think that's idle. Walkie. Okay, so I think we are Gucci. Oh shit, she's moving. Okay, one of those things is not like the other. One of those is definitely bigger. So let's see here. Girl, get your... Oh my gosh. Get your ass. Oh my god. Thank you. Okay, so now we can make it like 20. Let's try 25. So I want her to walk far, but not disappear off the damn screen. Let's try 25. And then we are going to fix whatever one is too big. It looks like they get smaller as you fucking go along. I'm over here eyeballing it like, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, if this angle is horrible, but I'm getting tired of having this way up there. Like, the angle's not comfortable, but whatever. We'll see how this looks. It might not be that bad. This is not that bad. Waiting for it to catch up. Okay, this is fine. You know, besides, my hand being in frame, making it, you know, making it, have issues. Okay, so she is much smaller. Okay, so now let's try. That's much better, but now she is, in fact, so much. She's changing shape constantly. I thought. No, yeah, you can tell one's a lot bigger. Okay, let's do this. Let's try that. Okay, that one is clearly much smaller. I think I made her too big now. Nope, not even that bad. Okay, and she can grow a little bit too. I think that Earth is a pretty great place. I'm sorry, that just popped in my fucking head. Okay, now they're all the same size. Except for I don't like her idling. I don't like her fucking idle position anymore. Her left foot looks stupid. I don't like it anymore. Can I have my color, please? Thank you. Whoa, why is that so huge? What is the... Okay, I think that's... Yeah, 5 is it? What the fuck? I'm trying to make my girl have elephantitis feet? She don't, so don't do her like that. Okay. Because I know what I'm doing in my head, but it just looks funny in the actual pixel art itself. Okay, now she has a broken ankle. Great. Stop doing that at an ankle. Get us some struggling. Okay. Hold on, y'all. We will get this. And the stream's still running. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Then if we do like this. Like, I know what I'm trying to do, but it just looks funny. Okay. Let's try to bring it down a little more and have it this way. You know what? I think it just will. I think I need to just bite the bullet and make her foot go the other way. So I think I just need to stop being difficult and just bite the bullet. She's so cute. Look at her. Look at her. She's so cute. Her walking animation is so stupid, and it took me fucking 15 weeks. But hey, whatever. So we have walking cycle left done. So now all we gotta do is copy that to the right. So let's do the costumes real quick, which will be a luckle. Oh my fucking god. A luckle. What the fuck am I talking? A luckle, nigga? A luckle? What the fuck am I talking about? Okay, so now we're going to copy all of this crap. Duplicates. Oh, we don't need to fucking duplicate that, smart guy. Duplicate. Lock. R1. Put that all the way. No. Don't ruin anything, Scratch. I've worked too damn hard on these simple ass fucking things. Okay. How do I? Yes! Yes! It's that simple. Yes! R2. Wait, these look exactly the same. No, they don't! Is it the same size? It is. I'm getting tricks up my sleeve. 3. Oh, don't mess with me. I'm learning this shit now. And then 4. Is it 5 altogether? No, there's just 4. Okay. R4. Yes. Bring her down. And then all we need to do is copy this for the right arrow. So let me. I'm pretty sure I can. Oh, there's only so much. I'm gonna have to utilize my space. There's only so much you can fit in here. Actually, there's a lot of space. This is plenty. This is plenty. Guess I'm just gonna have to utilize it. Oh, it gets bigger as you move things. Awesome. Uh-oh. I'm moving too much shit. Okay, so let's just, oh, shit. I'm not done! Shut up. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna finish this for the right side, and then we'll be done with the stream. Yeah. But yes, I'm gonna leave this blank so I can put all of my things, like, when when green flag is hit, start her at this position, have this screen up, like when I have the background and where I want her to go and what the idea behind this game is. I'm gonna put all this, like, just all the start the game like this right here. So I'm gonna put the 4. You guys get it, whatever. Okay, let's get it. And now we know exactly what to do. When the right arrow. I'm thinking space for jump because it's just the most. Well, no, up arrow because you're gonna be using the arrow pad anyway. Repeat until variables. Nope, it is control. And as I do this, I'm gonna start memorizing where things are, like how I kind of already am. That's awesome. This is great. And I love the color coordination. Scratch is just beautiful. Not wait until not pressing. Nope, it's blue. Wait until the thing is not pressed. I would have never guessed it was down here. See, I can't even find it still. Wait until the key is not pressed. Now I'm about to fucking copy and paste this bitch. Yes, I am. Say I won't. Say the fuck I won't. Say the fuck I won't. Say I won't, bitch. Oh shit. I might as well have not copied it because I have to change I have to change everything. Wait, what the, why is bitch move? Don't ruin anything. You're gonna fuck up all my shit. Motion, nope. Sensing, yes. No. No. No, 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 no. How did that happen? No, 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 no. You in there. And this should be the right arrow. Yes, yes, my brushes. Yes. We're getting somewhere. R1. Control. No. Events. No. Variables. No. Control. I had it right the first time. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yeah, yeah, fuck you. Yes, I did. I had it exactly right. 0.25. Why does this first one say 0.23? That is not the variable I wanted. Thank you. Sensing. Change your X. It is not that. It is motion. Save this bitch right now. Thank you. Motion, move X by. And remember that it is still X. And it's just positives now. 25. Okay, great. And then I can just copy that and paste it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Boop. Boop. And all I gotta do is change the costumes. Guys, I'm learning this shit. I'm sorry that I'm hunched over, but I'm like, I have to keep the camera back far enough so you can actually see me, but also have it positioned and have the laptop positioned in a way where I can still see this and you can see me. But because, I'm looking at this tiny thing, I need it. You guys get it. I don't. What am I talking about? Clearly, I'm tired. And it's only 3 p.m. 4. Okay, and then we want this bitch. Copy paste. So let's see. Let's test it out, guys. Mm-hmm. I did not finish flipping everything over. This bitch can move left and right. This bitch can move left and right. This bitch can move left and right. You know what I want? I want a little pad right here. I need to make a new sprite, of course. I want a little bitty... What the fuck? No, this one. I want a fucking... I want like a fucking num... I want a numpad. No, excuse me, bitmap. I want a... Shit, is that how you write an arrow? Yes, it is. Okay. I want a fucking number pad just like this. I want to fill that bitch in. No, I want the bitch to have a different color inside because that looks cooler. Make it darker. Yes, no. Make it lighter. Okay, bitch, you're struggling. Okay, bitch, okay, bitch, you're okay. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Reminds me of a fucking Dora. 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 Why the fuck is this arrow so huge? Okay, that's still insanely large. And why did you flip? I did not ask you to flip. I'm gonna flip you back the way I wanted you. Thank you. This bitch still needs to be smaller. Why the fuck are you so large? Okay, that's cool. And then we're going to duplicate, 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 flip, flip, oh shit. Okay, so now we're going to flip you this, like this. Yes. Then we duplicate you and flip you this way. Perfect! What am I doing? These need to be separate sprites. Shit. Well, we're making costumes. Oh god, okay. We're fine. Boop. That's not the fuck. Wait, yes it is, because that's the fuck you... Wait. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's that. Okay. Boom. Boom. Realistically, it would make more fucking sense to just have all this one sprite and then only light up one at a time. Instead of making 4 separate fucking sprites. Yeah, what the hell am I doing? Okay, can you zoom out so I can see what the hell you're trying to get? Okay. How do I minimize this? How do I hide this? Because I can't see. Oh boy. Like half of the screen is being blocked. Yes? Is that the yes button? Okay. So I can't see nothing under here. What is this? No. Can I hide this? What would I do? Do this? No, that's the full screen of the game. How do I... So this is already full screened? Girl, I don't know how Scratch fucking works. Girl, whatever. Okay. So yeah, we need to... Okay, what if I copy this and put it into this? Yes, perfect. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Journey, what the fuck were you doing? Why wouldn't you just move the whole bitch instead of trying to... Lord Jesus Christ, help me. That way you only have to write one set of code instead of 4 different sprites with 4 different code. Because since this is a limited, this is good for anything. This is good practice for when I eventually make AAA games. Ambitious. This is good practice for when I eventually work my way up to making AAA games. You want to make it as optimized as possible. Take the least amount of space as possible. Copy and paste. Yes. Thank you. Perfect. Now we can delete all this bullcrappage. I want to make you mini because this bitch is too fucking big. Big Get in this bitch. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And then now I'm going to make a few copies of this whore. Just in case I fuck it up the first time. Oh wait, I need 4 copies. Yes, 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 yes. I need 4 copies. Why do I need 4 copies? Because what I want it to do is light up a certain arrow when you're pressing a certain arrow. So therefore, I also need a space key. Flip. Darn. Because I did not make that, so I was not prepared. Okay, hold on. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a little tricky. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Because here's the thing, I want a space key and I want a, what do you call it? What do you call that thing? Space and I want to attack. I don't know what button to hit. Because if they're going to be using the arrow keys, they can maybe use D. Like something to interact. You know, I'm just gonna make it real simple. Put WASD. Oh, even better. I just had a really cute idea. I literally didn't even have to. I can save this. Yeah, bitch, what the fuck? You can save that, so you don't have to rewrite it again. I say as if I made the fucking cisgene tap when I don't want to have to do it again. Girl, you just all you did was write space. And I bet it's gonna even. Yeah, I'm gonna say I bet it's gonna fucking rip it off too, because you can't. Oh boy, whatever. I had a really cute idea to make it long ways so that it's across the bottom of the screen like this. And my stream is still running. That's fucking awesome. Praise him. Okay. No, not purple. No, my color is blue. I might as well just go ahead and delete these motherfuckers because I'm not about to redo everything 10 times. I'm just going to copy this one when I finish. And then I can, okay, so let's make a little, that's not a rectangle. That's a demon. Okay. Should I, yeah, girl, just make it simple on yourself. Space. Space. Okay. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Okay, then we can write, oh shit. My sprite art is not the best, as we all know. Ah, shit, okay. Bro, you got this. What the fuck you worried about? You're just writing fucking space. I need to be able to control myself to not freak out when it's extremely low stakes. That's what I need to do. Because I'm over here Miss Perfectionist. I'm like, oh my god, I have to do this as amazing as possible. Bitch, you're just making a fucking scratch game for 0 viewers right now. You do not have to be so fucking perfection. Oh, I'm not going to be able to make it perfect. Okay, if you don't, oh well. And look at that, you did completely fine. Yeah, you're fucking up the square more than the fucking words. The words are fine. Oh my god, I'm really fucking up the square. So clearly I can't draw while I'm talking. So I'm just gonna have to add a few imperfections to make it, like, part of the personality. Instead of just the one bottom spot. It really fucked up. Okay, now it looks too fucked up. Now it looks too fucked up. Oh, I broke my own rule of digital art. Make sure you stop every few pixels so that when you hit backspace once, it doesn't delete the entire fucking piece up. You always... My rule of digital art for myself is to always take a break in between large sections of drawing because you don't want to hit the backspace and delete an entire fucking hour's worth of work because you did it in one stroke. So take a break. Release your fucking finger off of the trigger. Happy holidays, every old day. I'm singing Christmas songs, and it is not Christmas. It is actually the 4th of July. It is the 4th of July. I'm just spacing them out. Okay, so there's space. Okay, so what would I do now? I need WASD. So I don't think I'm gonna have 4 fucking action buttons, but I don't know. And I wanna just have those options so that if I do WASD, I don't have to do all that. Like, I don't have to make the sprites later. But then again, maybe I should save WASD for Boba Tea Girl too. What do we think about that? What do we think about that, guys? Let me see. Wow, this computer charges quick. Yeah, maybe I'll just keep it at. You know what? This one could be a platformer, and then the next, whatever I'm gonna make a sequel to this game, and that one can have more, like, action, just to make it simple. Okay, so now we're going to have to duplicate this, 5 times. Honestly, I'm tired, so I'm gonna leave it here. But the point of all this is to, so basically these are all the costumes that are going to be. So this is gonna be costume when you're hitting up. So when up button is hit, it's gonna make this one light up, and etc. 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 When this one goes off, it's gonna be when you hit the left button, it'll make this one light up. There, you get it. So just to recap, what we've done so far is we've made the left and right walking animation properly. Let me not destroy my stream. And then we've put this cute little thing. The floor is going to be the floor is going to be. Let me just make a quick floor tile color. Tile is always like one of those tricky ones for me. Okay, that's a good tile color. I will say I want this kind of bigger than that. Can I make 100? Yes, perfect. Okay. Lotus. There we go. Just make it simple. She is not even close to the bottom. Oh my god, now I want it on the beach because this is the cutest thing ever. Boba Tea is a beach girl. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Ah, she's a beach. Yep, this is a beach story now. This is a beach story now, absolutely. And I just realized she doesn't have a fucking face. So if I color in the background sky, it's gonna show on her face because there's no background. It's not like it's white. It's just it's transparent. So fuck, I'll have to fix that later. But yeah. So yeah, we've done left. So to recap, in this stream we have done left, right successfully. We have made first stream we made the animations, but this one we made the fucking walking. We successfully, with the help of Gemini, it's like, hey Google, successfully we have made her look fucking straight after, like, when you hold down the button, it just does the fucking thing it's supposed to do, and then when you let go, she stops. She goes back to her idle animation. Yes, her idle frame, excuse me. I'm not making an entire animation for idle. But, it would be cool if you could, oh, I got a back itch. It would be cool if you could make folders. So, like, say I want to have, oh shit, hold on. I gotta go to this sprite. Imagine if you could have all of this and you could label it under a folder walk left. So I would love to make something like this for the idle animation, like having an actual animation, and then be able to just put in a folder if, if nothing pressed, put one of these when nothing pressed. When, oh yeah, it would be when thing is arrow, when nothing pressed, or I don't know. I'm pretty sure there's an idle option. I'm pretty sure if like if what was that sensing if if y'all, I don't know, but basically, I wish there could be like, if idle for X amount of time, I'm sure there is, but if idle for X amount of time, and then you can insert a folder instead of having to manually, well, I mean, you could just hit copy and paste, but you still have to manually put it out at least once before you can copy and paste, right? So I wish you could just type it out and then, what am I talking about? You don't need a folder because this is the folder. Copy and paste, because even when you make a folder, you still have to write the code first. So, y'all, anyway, I'm getting tired, but it's only 3 p.m., so I can't go to sleep yet because I don't want to ruin my sleep schedule. So, thank you guys for watching. This was so eventful and awesome, and it worked fucking properly. I'm so happy. I will see you guys in the next stream. And also, keep an eye on my Leaping Tigers channel for the new the comeback video, because I am coming back to YouTube. What's my outro? Jian Xing. I don't remember how to say goodbye in Chinese. So, goodbye in Chinese. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. Goodbye in Chinese.